When you're looking for a job today, perhaps you could try one platform which is called LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform and it is also a very useful job-seeking tool. Today, we are going to share with you how to look for your dream job through LinkedIn. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Job Majestic channel. I'm Jess. Our channel will be focusing on the content about job interviews and anything related about work. If you like the content like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow our social media. Today, we're going to share with you how to look for your dream job through LinkedIn. Other than job sites, you can use this platform called LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a website for professional networking and also job searching. First, you need to register an account on the website and it's free. Remember to fill out your details. So, the first feature is Jobs. If you need a job urgently, you can try to use this feature. Click Jobs and you can start to look for more job opportunities from there. Second, connect with the recruiters. If you want to open for more job opportunities, you can connect with the recruiters in LinkedIn. And then you can email or message them to ask if there is any suitable jobs for you. Remember to keep your text professionally and ask politely. Third, search for company profiles. If you are thinking of joining some of the companies that you are interested, you can check out their profiles in LinkedIn. Search and key in the company name, click page and click jobs. Then you can find out whether they are recruiting or not. If yes, you can apply the job from there. Here is a small tip for you guys. Some of the companies might upload their job vacancies in their website, so remember to check it out too. Alright, that's all for today. If you think today's video is helpful for you and your friend, please remember to share it and like it. If you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section. I'm Jess and see you next Monday at 7 PM.